The benefits of beets for the skin and how do you use it to benefit your skin? Content 1. The benefits of beets for the skin and how to use it. 2. Beets for the skin to combat the signs of aging. 3.1 of the benefits of beets for skin is treating acne. 4. Beets for complexion and skin pigmentation. 5. Beets treat dark circles around the eyes. 6. Beets help lighten dark lips. 7. The most important benefits of beets for the skin are the treatment of dry skin. The benefits of beets for the skin are many, make you keen to eat it, as well as take advantage of beet recipes for the skin permanently. Where beets are one of the wonderful vegetables that are used in many kitchens and recipes around the world. Beets contain many important vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to the health of the body in general, as it has some medicinal properties and many benefits for hair and skin as well. Most of the benefits of beets for the skin are due to the presence of a large amount of vitamin C, which provides many beneficial things for the skin, such as fight the signs of aging on the skin, acne treatment, help to restore skin radiance. It works as an antioxidant. It works as an anti-inflammatory. The benefits of beets for the skin and how to use it. Beets and beet juice provide many wonderful skin benefits, which include the following. 1. Beets for the skin to combat the signs of aging. Beets contain a high percentage of vitamin C, which is beneficial for the skin as it helps get rid of signs of aging, such as wrinkles. And many research and medical reports indicate that vitamin C has a wonderful effect on skin cells, as it helps to regenerate skin cells and get rid of signs of aging due to its antioxidant properties. It also helps collagen synthesis, which helps increase elasticity. Skin. In addition to that, it plays an important role in treating and eliminating dry skin. 2. One of the benefits of beets for skin is treating acne. The vitamin C in beets acts as an anti-inflammatory, so it can be used and relied upon in treating some conditions such as acne. According to a study conducted in 2018, vitamin C is often used with other treatments to get rid of acne such as antibiotics and zinc, so eating beets in a salad or drinking beet juice may help you get rid of acne very effectively. You can also use beets topically on acne to get rid of acne faster, as follows. Put 2 cups of beet juice in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of curd to it. Mix the 2 ingredients together well until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water, and use this remedy twice a week to help get rid of acne. 3. Beets for complexion and skin pigmentation. According to a study conducted in 2013, vitamin C was used in the treatment of hyperpigmentation of the skin due to its ability to reduce the formation of melanin pigment. Beets help in that because of their vitamin C content, which works very effectively to get rid of excess melanin. 4. Beets treat dark circles around the eyes. Dark circles and puffy eyes are one of the most common problems facing many people around the world. But fortunately, you can get rid of dark circles that appear around the eyes and get a better look for your eyes and face by using beets, as beets work as a wonderful antioxidant that has a tonic effect on the skin. Using beets topically on dark circles will not only make you get rid of dark circles, but it will also make you get rid of the signs of stress that appear around your eyes. And you can rely on the following recipe to get rid of dark circles. A teaspoon of beetroot juice with 2 to 3 drops of almond oil, and mix them well in a bowl. Apply the mixture under the eyes and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, rinse your face with cold water. 5 beets help lighten dark lips. If you suffer from chapped lips or chapped lips, beets are the answer. Beets help make your lips look great and naturally attractive, and it also gives the lips a natural red color. And you can rely on the following recipe to get rid of chapped lips. Put an amount of beet juice on your lips, leave it for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. You can also mix grated beets with sugar and use it afterwards to exfoliate your lips and get rid of dead skin and dark spots that form due to tea, coffee, and smoking. 6. The most important benefits of beets for the skin are the treatment of dry skin. Many people suffer from the problem of dry skin, which causes it to peel and make the skin look unpleasant, but you can rely on beets to get rid of dry skin in an easy, natural, and safe way. Put an amount of beet juice on your lips, leave it for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. You can also mix grated beets with sugar and use it afterwards to exfoliate your lips and get rid of dead skin and dark spots that form due to tea, coffee, and smoking. 6. The most important benefits of beets for the skin are the treatment of dry skin. Many people suffer from the problem of dry skin, which causes it to peel and make the skin look unpleasant, but you can rely on beets to get rid of dry skin in an easy, natural, and safe way.